Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Chef Will is here to give you another amazing recipe. Hope you guys staying safe and blessed as always. Today it's a really cold day. So guys, guess what I'm making today? Some homemade hot chocolate. Guys, this is something from mom. Showed me how to make, guys. So used to love this. The traditional way of doing this. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some fresh hot chocolate. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what's going on outside as well. So guys, that's the reason why I'm making this hot chocolate today. It's snowing outside. It's really a cold day, really cold. I think it's like -6. So woke up this morning and said I'm gonna make some fresh hot chocolate. Want to go outside to do some stuff, but it's just too cold for me, so I stay inside. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to make that hot chocolate. So yes guys, this is the chocolate right here. This is something that my mom brought for me from back home. It's the chocolate. This was made in a wooden mortar. They get the chocolate, the fresh chocolate from the tree, they crack it, they dry it, and then they beat it, roll it into this here. So that's a fresh homemade chocolate there. That's what it looks like. All right, they roll them into these little balls. I got some cinnamon stick right here, fresh nutmeg right here. I'm gonna be using in there. I got 2 cups of water on the stovetop boiling right now. Just turn this down, and we're gonna grate this chocolate right here, and grate some nutmeg, a little bit of cinnamon inside if you like cinnamon and nutmeg. It's great. So we're just gonna get this going. I just do it on a bigger plate right here, so I can show you guys. This is how you make it, and it depends how rich you want it. This is no measurement to this. I'm using this, maybe this is about a half or quarter. I'm gonna use some of this. And this is just pure chocolate, guys, rich. You can smell that. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna grate this and get it inside the pot right now. And you can just, you got a piece left, you can just throw it right inside there. So guys, I grate about, I would say that's roughly about a quarter cup right there. I'll bring you guys over to the stove and show you. I'm just gonna grate some nutmeg right inside. This doesn't take too long to boil, guys. I would say roughly about, you can boil it for like 5 minutes or so. Should be good. So just mixing that in there, the nutmeg. I'm gonna drop a piece of cinnamon inside. So I want all that flavor to boil together. That smells good. So that's what the fresh hot chocolate looks like, boiling in the pot with the cinnamon stick right there. Or you can use powdered cinnamon, whatever you got. I'm pretty quite sure you can find this in a few West Indian stores here in Canada right now. Don't know about the States. I'm sure you probably can find it there as well. This chocolate. Beautiful. So I'm gonna let that boil for a few minutes, and I'm gonna get it into a cup. You can use condensed milk to sweeten, or just fresh cream, whatever you like. Alright, so right now guys, I'm just gonna shut this off. It's been boiling for some minutes now, so I'm gonna have some condensed milk inside. As I said, this is about 2 cups that I make right here, so I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of this condensed milk inside for sweetening. And I don't want it too sweet, guys. I mean, you don't have to have it with anything sweet. You can add some cream. You should be fine. Or some coconut milk, whatever you have. I won't be putting any sugar inside. It's your choice. If you want sugar, you can add that to it as well. Just gonna bring you guys a little bit closer and show you what it looks like in the pot. So this is what it looks like after I had the milk to it. That's just pure hot chocolate right there. Very natural. Homemade hot chocolate. Alright, so I'm gonna get it into a cup right now. So what I'm gonna do right now is strain it right into my cup. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna have my hot chocolate. And guys, I also had a pinch of salt to this as well. It's something that my mom always did, but I love it that way. Just a pinch of salt. I think it helps to bring the sweetness of the condensed milk together with the hot chocolate. Hey, guess what? It works. I love it that way. And it's very soothing hot chocolate. Here in the winter time, oh, you need this. Amazing. Lovely. Wow. As usual. I gotta tell mom I made it. Nothing but a fresh hot chocolate, guys. Homemade. Love it this way. The one from the package, I just can't have it. It's, you know, this is good. This is fresh. Wow. This is lovely. Guys, guess what? I'm gonna go and enjoy my hot chocolate. I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking, sharing my videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe.